that I'll go to elements and click on see all, and as you can see I have searched for some frames here. So the first frame which I'll be using is this one. This is a brush frame. As you can see, it is the keywords are written here, brush frame or brush stroke frame. Okay, so I'll use this one, make it bigger and place it in the middle here, and after that I will add the image which I just uploaded from Freaky website. Okay, and this one I will upload, and after that I will just make it bigger so that I can make a pop-out image out of it. Okay, just make it a little smaller. Okay, and as you can see it is done here. Now I will just mark the ends with the scale so that when we make the pop-out effect it actually matches with the frame. Okay, so this one is done. Click on done, and after that again use this image, and as I said, make it to the same size of the frame. So as you can see it is done, and click on BG remover. So one quick hack I want to share with you: when you are using the above layer here, make sure you hold the control key in the keyboard, otherwise it will get merged in the frame itself. So double click on BG remover. So as you can see some loose hairs are present here which is obstructing our pop out image. So I will just crop out those parts. So I will just delete it here using the erase tool here, and also delete these parts also. This one is done. Now I will go to elements again, and as you can see I have searched for some color splash or holy powder color splash. So I will just click on it. As you can see the image is abstract piece of color powder. It is the keyword, and next one is abstract, same keyword, just different types of pictures is used here, and I will just paste it here once, and another one I will just paste it here, make it slightly bigger again for this one also. Okay, and right click on it, click on layer, go to layer and show layers, and after that select both the layers and just bring it below the main image. Okay, as you can see the brush frame is not quite visible, so what I can do is that I will duplicate it, press it here, make it slightly bigger. Okay, and after that just use a color here. So I will use white for this example, and just click on layer, show layers, and bring it just below the main layer, and as you can see it is slightly bigger, so I need to adjust it. So for that I will just select the layer again and use the keyboards to adjust the layer. Make it slightly smaller, and after that just adjust it again. So as you can see it is adjusted here, and it looks great with the pop out of this frame also. And after that, when this is done, I will now use some typography. For this I will use this typography which is Holi colorful letter calligraphy, and I will use it here. And as you can see the color is not matching with the main colors here, so I will just select in here, and as you can see photo colors are already selected here, so I will just click it in here and match it, and after that I will match this color with the orange color here, and yellow with this brown color. So the matching is also done. Now I will make it slightly smaller and let's work on it. Okay. Now just select any of the layer, click on layer and show layers, hold these 3 layers. Okay, and after that just make it slightly in the below so that I can match perfectly with the frame and the banner post, because I want to add some more typography here. And for that I will go to text, click on add a subheading, and here I will write happy, and I will use the font as something in narrow, so I will here write narrow, and let's go for with archive for narrow and place it right here. Make its size smaller, make it to 24 and see. So it looks great. Just match with the color, same color. So it is matched here. After that I will write a caption here and I will stay logged out, and I will just write here Holi Festival captions. So I will use this first caption only. Let the colors of Holi fill your life with love, joy and happiness. I will use the same font here and I will just copy it and paste it till here. Okay, and here our design is done. Just middle the design, the writing, and your design is ready.